Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important session in which we will talk about some more important points. I'm going to let you know about the must to prepare topics of condensed metaphysics and the quantum mechanics in this session today for your upcoming CSIR net exam, GATE, test, TIFR. In some of the exams we don't get the questions from condensed matter, but in most of these like net and gate you get the questions. So for them at least this is going to be the important discussion, right? So let's talk about these points, but before that, I'm gonna let you know about the important information. So actually, guys, there is a latest offer which is going on Unacademy, as per which you will be able to get the discount in your total subscription amount, and you can save up to 35% on CSIR UGC net subscription. You just have to use and apply the code that is Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, and the offer is just valid till 30th April, guys. So all the details have been shown here, which will be helping you to take your preparation to the next level and to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Another important thing is that these are the details regarding the iconic subscription. You will also be able to get important notes and all the details have been shown here. So whenever you will go ahead to take the subscription, it will be helping you to decide which one you want to take, whether iconic or the plus. And the difference between Unacademy plus iconic or light subscription is shown here on the screen. So you can have a look at that and you can decide which one you want to take, right? Let's go ahead to work on the next part. So actually, guys, we will be starting the discussion now about the important and must to prepare topics of quantum mechanics and condensed matter physics. And since your exam is just few days away now, so most of you will keep on asking that what are the topics they should at least try to cover up in the remaining time. So I hope this video will be helping them a lot. And before going ahead in the discussion, if you are new to this channel, that is Mission at Physics Exam, in that case you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and don't miss the important videos I'll be sharing with all of you. Let's talk about quantum mechanics part now. So actually, guys, if I'm going to talk about quantum mechanics, the important things you have to consider is, first thing, you have to prepare the basics. And when I'm going to talk about basics, normalization condition, orthogonality condition, Dirac notation, expectation value, probability, all of that you need to prepare, right? Other than that, the important systems. When I'm going to talk about systems, 1D box, 2D box, 3D box, harmonic oscillator, ladder operators, raising and lowering operators, A and A dagger, all that you need to prepare. Degeneracy, everything will be included. The wave function, the potential, the energy, everything you need to know. Other than that, if I'm going to talk about the next important topic, that will be your perturbation theory. Okay, that's important for you to consider. Other than this, WKB approximation method and other approximation methods like the variational principle too. Next is your scattering topic. And along with the scattering, you also need to cover up the commutator bracket. And when we talk about the scattering, the Born approximation also you have to consider, okay? So this is how you have to talk about it, and like these things you need to prepare, right? Next is the condensed matter physics, most important topics, and these are the topics which I am telling you here are the ones you should not miss. Condensed matter physics. Okay, so in that case, what you have to do in this condensed matter part or solid state physics part, you must need to prepare the basics. Again, the terminologies must be clear to you, lattice, basis, okay, atoms, all that important rule, and their roles in the topic. Along with that, 1D crystal system, like 2D crystal system, not just 1D, 2D and 3D cases you have to prepare, right? The crystal structures, their properties. So next we have to consider is the lattice vibration. Also, once you consider the structures like FCC, BCC and the simple cubic, so in that case, other than that, when you consider direct lattice related things, you also have to consider reciprocal lattice, and you need to prepare the Brilliant zone part as well. In the lattice vibration, the dispersion relation, the group velocity, the phase velocity, that is important for you to consider. If I'm going to talk about the next part here, guys, so after this you have to prepare the superconductors and the free electron theory. Like from these sections you can expect the questions to be there in your exam, and it is very, very, very much important. Let me know if in case there is anybody having any doubt, we can talk about it. But if everything is clear, that's great. So let's keep it this much right now in the session, guys. And I hope each and everything is clear to all of you. I have tried to provide you the idea about what you have to prepare, and if you are focusing on these things, if you will even check out the previous year question papers, you will find that most of the questions have been asked from this part. Let me know if you are going to have any questions or any queries. We will try to consider that part, but if everything is clear, that's great. So if you want to take your preparation to the next level under the guidance of top educators, you can take the subscription, and you can save up to 35% by taking the subscription now, because the offer is going on, and you just have to use and apply the referral code Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for attending it till the end. Bye. Take